Snoring and sleep apnea aren't just nuisances. They can severely affect your sleep quality and overall health. If you or someone you know is struggling with these issues, there's good news. You can naturally reduce or even stop snoring and sleep apnea by doing specific exercises. In this video, we'll show you 10 scientifically proven exercises that will help you breathe easier, sleep better, and live healthier. Let's start with tongue slides. This exercise strengthens the muscles around your airway. To do it, place the tip of your tongue against the roof of your mouth, then slide it backward along the roof. Repeat this 20 times a day. The chewing simulation mimics the chewing motion and helps tone the muscles around the throat. Simply close your mouth and pretend you're chewing something. Focus on tightening your jaw muscles as you do it. Did you know that singing can reduce snoring? Singing engages and strengthens the muscles in the throat. Singing vowel sounds like A, E, I, O, U for a few minutes every day can make a big difference. Switching to nose breathing can reduce snoring significantly. Practice inhaling deeply through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Try to extend the time of each breath to 5 seconds. Blowing up balloons can work wonders for your throat muscles. This simple action tones your soft palate, reducing snoring. Grab a balloon and blow it up, focusing on long, steady breaths. Next, we have the tongue press. Place the tip of your tongue on the roof of your mouth, right behind your teeth, and press it up firmly. Hold for 5 seconds and repeat 20 times. A jaw tightening exercise can strengthen the muscles around the jaw and throat. Close your mouth and push your lower jaw out while holding it for 10 seconds. Repeat this 5 to 10 times. Exercise 8. Lip stretching is a great exercise for strengthening facial and airway muscles. Simply close your mouth and pull your lips tightly inward, like you're trying to smile without showing your teeth. Hold for 10 seconds and repeat 5 times. Exercise 9. Strengthening the throat with vocal exercises like humming or gargling with water can reduce snoring. Try humming for a minute straight, focusing on controlling your breathing. Exercise 10. While not a traditional exercise, sleeping on your side can significantly reduce snoring and sleep apnea. Try adjusting your sleeping position by using a body pillow or sleeping on a slight incline. There you have it. 10 proven exercises that can help stop your snoring and fix sleep apnea. Try adding these to your daily routine and start breathing easier and sleeping better tonight.